More state-imposed restrictions could return to central Illinois due to rising COVID-19 numbers. Good Thursday evening, everyone. I'm Tyler Lopez.
And I'm Amber Kriska. Thank you for joining us tonight. Not only has the positivity rate gone up 5 days in a row, but hospital admissions are up as well. Local health leaders tell Caitlin Pearson we need to stop the spread before it's too late. It's tonight's top story.
Region 2, which encompasses most of our viewing area, is currently at 7.9 in terms of positivity. That's just 0.1% away from being in danger of more restrictions. 8% for 3 days. That's what it would take to see things like indoor dining restricted once again. The word of warning from Peoria City County Health Administrator Monica Hendrickson.
Make no mistake, sometime in the next few weeks, we're going to be looking at those mitigations very closely in our community.
This comes as Peoria saw its highest single-day increase since the pandemic began, with 100 people testing positive in the last 24 hours. Between Peoria, Woodford, and Tazewell County, there have been 918 new cases in just the last week. Deaths are also rising at an alarming rate.
In the month of October, we have been averaging 2 deaths a day. That's 2 residents in our Tri-County that will not be celebrating with their families. Lots of people have comorbidities. The fact of the matter is the virus led to their death.
Another concern is hospital ICU capacity. Right now, 15% is being used just for COVID-19 patients.
These people's average time in the ICU is not 2 or 3 days, it's 7 to 10. So the turnaround time we're seeing is also extended. So as more cases increase and more hospitalizations in ICU, you're going to have less capacity at almost an exponential rate than you would for other ICU usages.
She says this year, play it safe, and if you feel sick in any way, get tested. Peoria County is seeing an average of 800 to 900 tests a day, and they can handle much more. Reporting in Peoria, I'm Caitlin Pearson.
And it's not just the Tri-County. Every county in our viewing area added at least 1 new case of COVID-19 today. And active cases are an all-time high. Tazewell County accounts for the most, with nearly 700 people actively fighting the virus. LaSalle and Peoria aren't far behind. 7 new deaths have been reported across our area, from McLean County to Peoria, Tazewell, LaSalle, and Livingston.